Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a brand new week at Kroger. So let me show you the best deals to pick up. The first one we are picking up is this Finish dishwasher pods. There are two $3 digital coupons which will apply, and after that, the price will reduce from $12.49 to $6.49. The next product I'm picking up is this Dove bar soap. There are two digital coupons, a $3 coupon and a $2 coupon. After both of them apply, you'll be left to pay just $6.79 for 6 bars. The next item that I'm picking up is Smart Food Flaming Hot Popcorns. These ones are regularly priced $4.49, and we have a digital coupon for $1.20 off when you buy two. And then these are buy four for $1.10, and Ibotta is giving us 50 cents back each. So that will make our final cost $6.80 after that cashback, or roughly $1.70 a pack. The next deal that we are picking up is this Kroger branded toilet paper rolls. So these ones are save 10 when you spend 30, and there are many different Kroger items which are included. So pick and choose whatever you want. I'm going to pick up the two toilet rolls. So one of them is 30 pack, the other one is 12 pack. So after the $10 off, my net cost would be roughly $20 for these two big packs of toilet paper. The next product that I'm grabbing is this 7th generation liquid dish soap. This one is priced at $3.99. We have two digital coupons. There's a $1 off and $1.50. After both of them apply, you'll be left to pay just 99 cents. So wonderful deal to pick up. The next item you can pick up is this Yoplait yogurt. These ones are save 3 when you buy 10. They're regularly priced at 80 cents, and after that $3 would apply. You'll be left to pay just $5 for 10, making 50 cents a piece. The next item is this Oikos 000 high protein yogurt. There are two coupons. There's a 50 cent coupon and buy 10 for $12. So basically these are $1.20 each, and then the 50 cent discount would apply, making it 70 cents, which is $3.50 for 5. The next that I'm grabbing is this Lay's original potato chips. So these ones are regularly priced at $2.49. We have a $1 off, and surprisingly some other deal is also applying, because after that $1 coupon, I am just left to pay 50 cents a piece, which is a superb price for this product. Next I'm grabbing Pop Tarts. So these ones are regularly priced at $2.99. We have a $1 digital coupon limit of 5, which will make it $1.99. Next we are grabbing Oikos Remix yogurt. These ones have a 50 cent digital coupon limit of 5, which will make price for one just $1. Next I'm grabbing this Downy Calm. So these ones are on a weekly digital for $9.99, and there are different products included like Gain, Downy, etc. So you can pick whatever you want. I'm picking up this Downy Calm Lavender Vanilla Bean Liquid. So this one is regularly $12.99, but because of this digital weekly coupon, we'll be left to pay just $9.99. And you can pick up more. I think the limit is 5. So the next set I'm picking up is this Danimals 12 pack. So these ones are buy 2 for $10, and we have a $2 off 2, which makes both of them just $8 or $4 for 12 pack, which is cheaper than the price for 6 pack of Danimals. So definitely a good deal to pick this week. The next item that I'm grabbing is Rice Krispies. These ones are buy one get one, and we have a 75 cent off 2. So after both these deals applied, you'll be left to pay just $3.29, or roughly $1.65 a piece, which is an amazing deal. So my total for all these 42 items is $157, and after all the digital coupons apply, your net total is going to be approximately $87, as I have $10 in customer relation. So that may not be applying in your case. And when you click the pay option, the 15 of 75 pickup order will apply. So this one only shows up when you are at that step. So your total after that $15 pickup order discount applies, and assuming you don't have that $10 customer relation bonus, so your total will drop down from $157 to $74, and then we will get $2 back from Ibotta, making our final total $72. So now we are getting 42 products for $72, which makes each item just $1.70 a piece, which is an amazing deal. Let me know if you're able to score, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you.